like to start this talk from telling about your organization, how you are contributing to the company.
So Hitachi is one of the known company worldwide, and we are also into rail industry.
Okay.
People might not be aware of that, but we are everywhere
Yeah.
throughout the world in every technological sector. We are.
Yeah.
So
The
currently we are working into railway sector,
okay.
the sideline which I am taking care of, and we are working into OBCMS, onboard condition monitoring systems,
Okay.
to monitor the condition of the running bogies. So if
Okay.
your train is running
Yeah.
at a speed of 160
Okay.
kilometers or some other speed, so we are the one who installed sensors on the axle boxes,
Okay.
and to manage to find out the quality of the bearing
Okay.
and the quality of the wheel
All right.
on your fingertips using the Internet of Things
Okay.
and AI technology and machine learning algorithms.
Okay.
So we are currently working into deep learning area where we can find out very easily with our data, with the big data,
Okay.
that which kind of wheel is good or which kind of bearing is good
Okay.
or which kind of bearing is not good.
Okay.
So with on your fingertips, you will have all the alerts, alarms, everything.
Okay.
I believe this is one of the best technology throughout the world.
Okay.
We are the world leader in this technology. Also, we are going digital. Our motto for 2030 is to go digital. So bring everything into digital sector.
Okay.
So transformation of railways into digital sector.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since you talk about technology, so what do you think? How can technology mold the railway sector in India?
If we talk about Indian Railways, which is the major player in India, they have a lot of aspirations to adapt digital technology. They have lot of mottos. Even they are working on the advancement of the technology.
Yeah.
Even technology transfer to India. And if we talk about metros, they are already equipped with the technology currently. But Indian Railways is one of the area where I believe they are still eagering to develop the technology,
Okay.
and we have aspirations to work for them.
Okay. Okay. So I guess Hitachi has its rolling stock in metros as well, right?
Yes, we are the complete train manufacturers,
Yeah.
but there are the verticals defined. So
Okay.
one vertical is signaling, Hitachi signaling, and one is into Hitachi infrastructure. One is into Hitachi rail. One is into Hitachi digital.
Okay.
So there are so many sidelines which are working together to bring technologies to India and develop the current existing railways and bring them more growth into the technological side.
Would you like to tell about your relation, the relation of Hitachi with Indian Railways, and is there any future plans to
Yes,
develop it?
currently we are working on a project which is RAMS, RAMS,
Okay.
and apart from that, one current project which is running right now is onboard condition monitoring system, which is already running on 100 coaches as a trial
Okay.
in India,
Okay.
and it is quite successful. We are working closely together with the Indian Railways personals.
Which metro projects have you given this service?
Currently, if we talk about metro projects, we are working for Mumbai Metro.
Okay.
We are working for Noida Metro. And if we talk about Indian Railways side, if we leave metros, then we have worked with the one Tejas is running from Mumbai to Delhi.
Yeah, yeah.
It is equipped with our sensors, which
Right.
are giving us data every now and then on our
Great,
fingertips.
great, great. Mr. Arora, would you like to tell us about the startups in India? So, what do you think about how startups, can change the course of Indian Railway, particularly? Because we see a lot of startups in IT sector, but what about the innovation in railway sector?
Yes, I believe it is a very positive environment right now within the railways. that they have invited recently 56 partners from startups. Like they have selected 56 partners,
Yeah, yeah,
and they are working with them closely
yeah.
in different segments, because rail is not a very small product. It is not like a small this bottle if someone can manufacture alone. It
Yeah,
is a very big segment
right.
which requires special
Experts.
expertise in small segments. So I believe it is a very big step towards growth of small companies, or brings new companies into India
Yeah.
and enhance their quality and support them.
Right. So I'm sure you can also tell us something about the Make in India drive, and how Make in India, is it providing, is it accelerating your business? How is it making
Right.
an impact to your business?
Yes. First, we talk about Make in India. Shri Narendra Modi ji's vision and his projections toward Make in India is truly good.
Yeah.
So, Make in India and Make for the World. It is
Right.
a logo or a
Correct.
phrase going
Correct.
around
Yes.
everywhere. And with that, also, Atmanirbhar Bharat is
Right.
also one of the hashtag which is quite popular.
Yeah.
So I believe it is a very good vision of our honorable Prime Minister, that if we make it in India and we sell to the world, the quality we can provide throughout the world will be different. Because if a product which survives in India, in the harsh conditions of India, it can survive everywhere throughout the world.
Great
So
point.
yes,
Yes.
apart from that, we have also learned from Indian environment. We came from UK, and the product was designed in UK. We came to India and we installed our sensors. We closely monitored people and their behavior about the product, and also monitored the product, and then came into a conversation to develop it in India. So I believe if you have to scale up in India, it is for every vendor throughout world who is listening to us, that if you want to develop in India, I believe you have to come to India and develop the product and make it in India.
So, what do you think that how Rail Analysis India, and especially this event, is adding value to your company, to your business? And we can close with the feedback for us.
Yes, I believe the Rail Analysis India and their support with the magazine, the work, the data they are gathering towards the development of the technology and the other aspects, and the news.
Yeah.
I believe media is one of the best area which represents your work done.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if companies like your company, Rail Analysis, might not be there, then I believe nobody will be there to represent the products
Oh,
or represent the
thank you.
quality of work done by people.
Thank you so much.
So if we talk about Sudhanshu Maniji, the father of Train 18, he has worked very hard to develop a product
Yeah.
which is quite known as now Vande Bharat.
Yeah.
So write-ups you have put in your magazine and talking about such leaders
Yeah.
also gives inspiration to the newcomers to this industry.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it is working like you are working for a lot of segments.
Yeah.
For the vendors you are working, for the government officials like government Indian Railways
Yeah,
you are
yeah.
working, circulating the news you are working, for the new seekers to have interest in Indian in the railway segment, railway sector, or companies related to railway.
Yeah.
So it is enhancing their thoughts, I believe, in a different
Great.
vertical.
Thank you. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
saying such words, and thank you so much for your time.
Yes.
And it was such a nice interview, and the insights that you brought to us. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you
time.
very much.